if your jawline is starting to soften or you're noticing some heaviness and fullness around your neck area, this area holds so much tension and stagnation, but that with a few simple moves, we can really start working and lifting this whole area. So let's get started. So with Gua Sha, it's really important to use a face oil. This is one of the most important things when we're using a tool, because that's going to make sure that we're gliding on the skin and we're not tugging or pulling on the skin at all. And this is super, super important. So we're going to start applying a little bit of oil here to the neck and the jawline area here. Make sure you are applying a good amount. And we're going to take our tool and we're going to start with some lymphatic drainage. And this is going to help with the puffiness. So we're going to place the tool right here underneath the chin area and jawline and gently glide at an angle all the way down to the collarbone and do a little wiggle here at the end. It's really good for that lymphatic drainage, helping that excess fluid drain properly. Remember to breathe as well. Relax your neck, relax your shoulders. Wonderful. Next, take the tool, the inside curve of the tool here, place it here on the outside, then hold your finger here for support, glide the tool, tilt the tool and glide it all the way up to the ear like this. This is a really wonderful warm-up technique here before we start going into some of these deeper movements. Gliding all the way up, making sure that you have enough oil on your face, so it's a nice gliding movement. Let's go on the other side. All the way from the chin area, going all the way out. And this is also really wonderful for draining that excess fluid. Wonderful. Next, we're going to take the inside curve of the tool again here. Hold your hand here for support. Then put your tool here at an angle and glide all the way up to the chin area and in just below the lips, like this. Take your time with these movements. They're quite advanced, but this is really going to make such a huge difference for lifting and toning the jawline and the chin area. Nice, gentle movements. Going from side to side here. Making sure you have a good amount of oil. This is so key when we're doing these movements here. You want that nice slick. Wonderful. You see here already that it's looking a little bit more lifted. So this is a really powerful technique. So now we're going to work on the neck area as well. So we're going to go same movements here, but going all the way out from the bottom of the neck here, moving all the way up, gliding all the way up right underneath the cheekbone right here. So it ends here. Remember slow, gentle movements, especially when we're working on this area, is super important. Wonderful. See here already, it's whole lifted. And because I'm working on this whole area here, you can see how this whole side now is looking a lot more lifted than this side. So we're going to work on this area right here now. So we're going to, again, hold your hand here for support. Take your tool and glide it all the way up at an angle and ending right underneath that cheek. It's amazing, these movements, how powerful they are, and it takes very little. It doesn't take a lot. And doing this on a consistent basis is so important. It's like when we're working out, we can't just expect to go once and then have, results. We have to keep doing it. So please make sure to follow along with this video and keep coming back to it as often as you like. I recommend doing Gua Sha like 3 to 4 times a week. You can do it daily if you want, but doing it 3 to 4 times a week is really going to help lift, tone, and sculpt this whole area that you're working on. Wonderful. And now, so to end it, we're going to do a little bit of a lymphatic drainage again, to make sure that all that extra fluid is going to be released. So we're going to, again, take your fingers here, glide all the way down, and do a little pulse here at the end. Nice deep breath. Let's go on the other side. Wonderful work. Doing these movements a few times a week can really make a difference in terms of lifting and toning the jawline and working on that neck area. So please make sure to come back to this video so you stay consistent with it. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.